Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Lenovo TAB M8. First of all, open your Google application. Next up, if you have this panel on the bottom, discover snapshot search collection and more, tap here more. And if you don't have this panel here on the bottom, tap your Google account icon and choose here settings. Now I'm going to more and choose settings option. Here go into Google Assistant, and in this menu scroll down and find this option Hey Google and voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap continue, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.